Hey there, gardening enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel, where we explore the world of gardening tools and provide you with detailed reviews to help you find the perfect grafting tools for your grafting needs. Today, we're delving into the realm of grafting tools, and I'll be sharing my top 5 picks for 2023. Whether you're a professional horticulturist or an avid home gardener, having reliable and high-quality grafting tools can greatly enhance your grafting success. Make sure to check the links in the description below for more information and exclusive discounts. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our gardening adventures. Let's graft with precision using the best grafting tools. Starting at number 5, the FUJIWARA grafting tools are a versatile and efficient set of shears designed for fruit tree vaccination and other grafting applications. With their high-carbon steel blades and ABS handles, these tools provide durability and reliable performance. The net weight of approximately 302 grams ensures a comfortable grip and ease of use. Featuring 3 blade styles, these grafting shears offer convenience and adaptability for various grafting techniques. The included high elasticity spring adds to the ease of operation and helps achieve precise cuts. The set also comes with additional accessories to enhance the grafting experience. The FUJIWARA grafting tools serve as a convenient grafting knife, making it easier to perform grafting tasks accurately. The ABS handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing strain during prolonged use. The tools are suitable for both professional grafters and gardening enthusiasts. In conclusion, the FUJIWARA grafting tools offer durability, versatility, and convenience. With their high-quality construction, multiple blade options, and comfortable handling, these tools are a practical choice for potential buyers seeking reliable grafting shears for their gardening projects. At number 4, the ZWKITOOL TS226 grafting tool is a multifunction grafting tool designed for efficient pruning and grafting of seedlings and fruit trees. With its pruner-type design, this tool offers ease of use and precise cutting capabilities. It features a 65 manganese material construction, ensuring durability and resistance to wear. The chrome-plated surface treatment of the blade provides added protection against rust and corrosion, prolonging the tool's lifespan. The tool's weight of 688 grams offers a balance between maneuverability and sturdiness. The trim diameter of 5 mm and the 20 mm blade length allow for precise and clean cuts during grafting. The ZWKITOOL TS226 grafting tool's full length of 240 mm provides users with sufficient reach and control. Whether you're a professional gardener or an avid hobbyist, this tool is suitable for various grafting and pruning tasks. In summary, the ZWKITOOL TS226 grafting tool offers durability, precise cutting, and a user-friendly design. Its sturdy construction, chrome-plated blade, and comfortable handling make it a reliable choice for potential buyers seeking a grafting tool for their gardening needs. At number 3, the DRTOOLS Garden Grafting Tool is a multifunction grafting tool designed to simplify the process of grafting seedlings and fruit trees. It features an easy-to-use design that allows for matching the U-cut cut or O-cut for rapid healing and improved success rates compared to traditional methods. The tool comes with replaceable blades, adding to its longevity and usability. The carbon steel, ABS, and aluminum construction of the knife ensures durability and reliability. The black color and compact size make it visually appealing and easy to handle. The trimming blades, measuring 3 mm in thickness, provide precision during grafting. The included Phillips screwdriver with a red handle adds convenience to the toolset. With a cutting diameter range of 5 mm to 14 mm, the DRTOOLS Garden Grafting Tool accommodates a variety of branch sizes. The V, U, O, and M-shaped blades allow users to choose the most suitable cut for their grafting needs. Additionally, the set includes a roll of grafting tape made of PE material, measuring approximately 120 meters long and 3 centimeters wide. The DRTOOLS Garden Grafting Tool is a practical and versatile tool for grafting and pruning activities. Its durable construction, interchangeable blades, and included grafting tape make it a suitable choice for potential buyers seeking a comprehensive grafting toolset. At number 2, the XMSJ Grafting Tool is a multifunctional and versatile tool designed for gardening and grafting needs. With its anti-slip grip and metal construction, this tool ensures durability and ease of use. Whether you're pruning, grafting, or working with grass, this tool covers a wide range of pruning tasks. The pruning shears feature an anvil pruner type, allowing for efficient and precise cutting. The ergonomic design of the tool provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. The compact and lightweight nature of the tool adds to its usability and portability. The XMSJ Grafting Tool Set includes 9 pieces, providing all the necessary tools for pruning and grafting. With this comprehensive set, users can tackle various gardening tasks and achieve professional results. The tool's versatility makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced gardeners. Overall, the XMSJ Grafting Tool offers convenience, versatility, and durability. Its anti-slip grip, metal construction, and comprehensive set of tools make it a suitable choice for potential buyers looking for a multifunctional grafting tool for their gardening needs. At number 1, the Mover Professional Grafting Tools are an exceptional set for garden enthusiasts and fruit tree enthusiasts. These tools stand out with their number 65 high-carbon steel double-edged shear blades and durable ABS plastic handles, ensuring both pruning and grafting tasks are accomplished with ease. The blades are coated with a protective oil layer, guarding against rust and maintaining their sharpness. Featuring advanced cutting industrial steel, the shaped blades enable precise and clean cuts. The folding cutter adds to the versatility of these tools, making them suitable for a wide range of garden and outdoor activities. The stainless steel blades, along with the wooden handles, provide durability and a comfortable grip. These grafting tools serve various purposes, including pruning, digging, budding, weeding, cutting, sawing, and even hunting. The ergonomic handle design makes them particularly convenient for grafting, trimming twigs, removing suckers, and cutting undergrowth. The set includes 3 replaceable graft cutting blades, O-cut, U-cut, and V-cut, designed to handle fruit branches ranging from 5 mm to 12 mm in diameter. The precise and perfect cuts achieved with these blades significantly enhance the survival rate of grafting. It is recommended to lubricate the blades after each use to prolong their lifespan. In summary, the Mover Professional Grafting Tools offer durability, versatility, and precise cutting capabilities. With their high-quality construction, ergonomic design, and multiple blade options, these tools are a great investment for potential buyers seeking reliable and efficient grafting shears.